Hi Air Signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong daily gabay ngayong February 26, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Please check out my Shopee. Available yung mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, kung kayo interesado rin sa private reading, I also offer private readings. Yung link kung paano makakapag-book ay nasa description din at sa pinned comment. Okay, let's see air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What's up? What's up? Beauty. Ayan. So, you are going to focus on beautification. Pagsasaayos ng inyong sarili, maaring medyo ano na kayo ngayon, i-groom nyo yung sarili nyo. Iba magpapagupit, magpapaayos ng buhok, maaring physical beauty ito. And then, some of you, pwede ring meron kayong mga i-enhance sa inyong physical appearance. Oo, para mas maging confident kayo sa inyong mga sarili. You are also being more creative ngayon, no? Parang meron kang eureka moment, meron kang downloads, meron kang ma-realize na pwedeng, uy, maganda to pagkakitaan, or magandang idea to na gawin sa bahay, yung mga ganon. So, maaring you are tapping into your creative skills, creative talents, ganyan. Using your hand. So, may mga projects ka ngayon para maging in alignment ka dun sa mga goals mo. Kung gusto mo maging negosyante, may mga ideas kang may isip kung ano yung pwede mong simulan na negosyo. And love is in the air. Wow. So, maaring iba sa inyo in love kayo sa person ninyo, or in love kayo sa buhay. You're in love with your life, no? If you are single. And I also see you focusing on loving yourself, taking care of yourself, no? Practicing self-love, self-care. So, let's see your overall energy. You have the King of Swords. Matalino, no? Someone who is very logical na mag-isip. You may be dealing with kapwa nyo air sign, no? If you are connecting with someone. You also have the Queen of Swords. Nako! Okay. And then the Ace of Cups. So, meron ditong, pwedeng meron kayong project sa trabaho na meron kayong kasama dyan na hindi kayo nagkakasundo. Kasi ang King and Queen of Swords sa reading ay medyo, challenging. Kasi yan yung pagalingan no? Patalinuhan. Sino yung mas magaling, sino yung mas may magandang idea. Oo. So, yung iba naman, if this is a relationship, no, kasi general energy nyo to, meron ditong, merong person na sa una hindi ka gusto, pero eventually, nung nakilala ka, na-develop yung feelings dahil na-realize niya kung gaano ka katalino. Pwedeng, reversal yung roles. Maaring nung una, hindi mo gusto yung isang tao na yan kasi antipatika, pero eventually, no, na-develop yung feelings mo. Kasi in-admire mo, nagustuhan mo yung kanyang mind, yung kanyang katalinuhan. Diba? Let's see, ano pa. And also, meron din ditong pagsisimula ng isang, can be project, business, career, na pinag-isipang maigi, no? Hindi to yung basta na lang na sinubukan. So, money, career, finances for air signs. You have the Page of Swords. You are learning. Maaring may mga pinag-aaralan ka ngayon kung paano other ways to earn money. Oo. You also have the Emperor. Uy, this is energy ng Aries and the High Priestess. which is Pisces energy. Wow, very strategic yung energy mo ngayon when it comes to your career, your finances. Meron dito na maaring may opportunity ka ngayon to become a boss or a leader, like team leader, tawag doon, supervisor, ganyan, sa trabaho. Or if you are into spiritual community, or maaring iba sa inyo ay meron kayong tatanggapin na malaking ang tawag dyan, parang authority, malaking pwesto. Oo. Pwedeng merong teacher role sa inyo. You're going to be a mentor, a coach, ganyan. Spiritual mentor, spiritual coach. And meron ditong gusto ka pang tuklasin, no? Na very interested ka na business or career. But for some of you, it's business or investment na kailangan mo talagang aralin. Sharing your voice. Yung iba sa inyo nasa communications field. Oh, may divine calling talaga, oh. Yung iba sa inyo, air signs, if you are being called to do spiritual work, no? Like, to heal others, ganyan, nasa spirituality kayo. Yan yung inyong calling. Yan yung inyong career path. So, let's see naman yung inyong love life. Love life ng mga air signs. You have the Ace of Wands, the King of Wands. Uy, medyo fiery ang inyong romantic life. So you have the King and Queen of Wands. Very energetic, no? If you are in a relationship right now, I think you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, no? Na maaring gustong medyo may pagka outgoing, no? Pwedeng you will be traveling more with this person, or meron kayong mga i-discover sa buhay. You might be working together, even sa trabaho, or sa pareho kayo ng trabaho, or you are in a business together, working together. Sabotage and expectation. Oo. So, kailangan lang dito, you set proper expectations with your person para hindi ma-misinterpret. Kasi minsan, akala ng person natin na, parang hindi tayo nag-e-effort for the relationship. Kasi nga, hindi natin nami-meet yung expectations ng other person. Kaya lang talaga, yung iba, walang awareness. Oo, na tipong hindi niya alam kung ano ina-expect mo sa kanya, hindi mo rin alam kung ano ina-expect niya sa'yo. So, you have to be open, okay? So, that is your reading, air signs. Thank you so much. Bye!